If you've ever wondered how Victron Energy gets its products safely delivered to distributors around the globe, the journey often starts somewhere like this. An unassuming warehouse near the Dutch city of Nijmegen, near the border with Germany. This state-of-the-art distribution hub is owned and run by Arvato Supply Chain Solutions. And this centre helps to ensure Victron Energy's customers receive our products quickly and in good condition. As soon as a distributor buys one of our products, an order is automatically created here at the order desk in Almere by Cindy. She processes most of the orders automatically, and any that need a personal touch are completed by the Victron Energy order desk team. These orders are then sent to Arvato to complete. At the same time as orders are being received, we too are constantly placing orders to replenish the high stock levels. They are shipped from manufacturers, for example this one in India, to the distribution hub here in the Netherlands.
Usually we have 22 pallets in the trucks. We are unloading them all of them at the same time, and then we are booking them and we are checking the quantity if it's correct as was booked or not.
Here in the busy inbound area, a team begin their quality control work by assessing the condition of product deliveries.
We are collecting here all of pallets coming from the manufacturers, and here we are checking if their quantity, if they are okay or not, and then we are sending them for the customers. Sometimes on this area are coming 8 or 9 trucks per day. Usually in the one trucks we have, it depends, sometimes we have 22 of pallets and we are unloading them in the same time, then we are booking them and then we are checking the quantity of them.
The team work hard to process the full range of Victron Energy products that pass through here, with the emphasis on innovation. This all means the products can come in and out of the warehouse much faster.
In this warehouse we have the solar panels, the batteries, the small cables.
The systems used here, along with good old-fashioned attention to detail, mean orders can be tracked in real time. Every step of the product's journey can be checked to ensure delays and losses are kept to an absolute minimum.
This area is our quality area. Here is the final check of all of the pallets which we will send to the customers. Here we are checking all of items one by one, and we are checking the quantity, of the quality, and we are making sure if we can send them to our clients. After this stage, we will seal these pallets for making sure that everything will be protected, and then we will send it to our loading team, and then they will load it for our customer. They are taking all items, they are scanning the serial numbers of all of items, and then in the system they are checking it if it's correct for this order or not.
Great care is taken to pack the Victron Energy products, like these Quattro inverter chargers passing through this facility, to ensure they are protected in transit and arrive in the best possible condition for our clients' use. And no one wants to put their back out with such heavy orders. These automatic lifting arms help take the weight off and share the load.
The machine we are using for the heaviest items, because sometimes we have items which is too heavy for one person and too heavy for example, 2 people. So that's why we don't have to injure the staff. And it's also about the healthy of the people. This is the most important thing for us. So that's why they are using this machine.
After orders have been processed and shipped, the accounts department at Victron Energy in Almere sorts the payments, ensuring the distributors can continue to order, and so the circle begins again. Victron Energy continues to innovate and automate as much as possible, and in partnership with companies such as Arvato Supply Chain Solutions, we're ensuring our products get to our clients safely and fast, wherever that may be in the world.